or is a nice example to show how we also tried to combine different aspects of activism, art, and food and cooking, because we saw, or we, there's always like sometimes this very direct, how can I say, very productive way of seeing this, like, okay, people need food, we cook, and then you have the food and that's it. But for us, it was also about somehow creating a community around those events. And so that was actually a manifestation which was against Bayer and Monsanto, who are the big companies producing a lot of chemicals, biochemicals, like glyphosate and paraquat, that I guess in India is also a very big topic or a big issue, as far as I know.
Very
And
much.
way too much, yes. And so they're based in Switzerland, and we have every year a big manifestation against those practices. So what we did is, like, in a 3-day program, we kind of started on the first day by asking people to come to the farm and to harvest also together, and also trying to get the aspect of community creating. We invited a good friend of us, which is called Leopold, to read some texts while the others were harvesting. So it was very much about creating community, be on the fields, have also like this experience, this very close experience to what does it mean to work on the fields, to harvest,